Welcome to the Random Forex Trader 2022 and beyond, episode number 18. Let's go to the charts. Yesterday, in the last episode, we did a recovery and then we entered CAD, CHF, sell random trade, and we are now about $104 in the negative. So it did not reach my small take profit, which was set at randomly $14.70. So the trade has went against us. We're looking at the 4-hour chart here. It's continued to go up. We are going to go ahead and immediately hedge. Whether you're brand new to Forex or you're still struggling with which trading strategy actually works, the good news is you never have to manually trade Forex ever again. No, this is not the latest and greatest robot or expert advisor. This service sends you profitable trades daily, and you have full control of how many trades you receive and how much you bid. The take profit and drawdown recovery are all built in. For the ultimate in Forex trading automation, visit forexbits.com today. Place a hedge trade and stop our margin bleeding away. I want you to look at this here. Our margin percent is currently 65,726.59. I'm going to go ahead and enter a buy, an equal and opposite trade, a buy at 0.1. So we're already on CAD Chief chart and we're already at 0.1. I'm going to go ahead and hit buy and then watch what my margin does. My margin level goes basically back to what my equity is. So it cancels out. My margin is not bleeding off now. Now there's a couple ways to handle this. We're going to do some analysis. Let's look at the 4-hour chart here and analyze and kind of do some brainstorming on what might happen here. And then we'll look at the lower time frames. So the very first thing I see is that we had a moving average cross and the price is just going up, up, up. It was going against us. Now it's going in our favor, essentially, if we stay in this buy. However, that's not going to allow us to completely fix the trade. The equal and opposite hedge trade is simply to stop the margin from bleeding off. So we now have margin to place a trade potentially in the proper direction. We could do it in one trade like the last one. It might take us multiple trades once we get a feel for the direction and movement of the market. So if I'm looking at the 4-hour and I'm looking at the RSI, it's literally in the overbought. So a sell is potential here, a major sell movement, but that is a counter trend and it may be too small of a movement. However, I'm going to watch that, and essentially, if I really see the RSI moving below if it's heading towards and moving below the 80%, I'll probably do a quick sell at a high lot size, at least a 0.5, if not more. You can see here our total lot size is 0.1, 0.1, so a total of 0.2, just like the recovery we did in the last episode. Now let's go ahead and go down to the 15-minute chart, and essentially, if I look down here at the RSI, we're really right in the middle. So at this point, it could go either way. I'm really not going to make a move. If the RSI on the lower time frame here was overbought like it is up here or oversold like it was down here, I might make a short-term movement. However, the 15-minute supports the 4-hour in the fact that the price is going up. So I just went into a buy. I'm going to hold that. And if we look down here, we're at about a negative $2, so basically not very much. However, if this buy, this hedge buy starts to go decently into profit, maybe $10, $20, I might add a buy trade at a higher lot size and look to get out of this trade, obviously at a net profit. Now, in the end, this has not really affected my margin, so I have no problem going into the next random trade while we watch this trade recovery play out. So let's randomize our currency list and take our next random trade. Here, I'll copy my list. We'll go to the randomizer. We can see yesterday's trade there as I'll go to the list randomizer, paste my list in the box, hit randomize, and our next random trade is going to be EuroCAD sell. EuroCAD sell. Let's go enter that now. I'm going to open up the market watch and look for EuroCAD. Here it is. I'll right click, go to the chart window, add my template, get rid of the market watch, drop down EuroCAD sell. I'm going to hit sell. We are now in a EuroCAD sell trade. You can see it right here. And in this particular case, on the 1 hour chart, the price is coming down. Let's go up to the 4 hour, and the price is coming down. Let's look at the short-term 15-minute, and the price is coming down. So we're probably in a good position here. Doesn't mean it couldn't go against us. Remember, the Forex market is random. So let's stay here on the 15-minute, and let's actually set a take profit. So I'm going to go ahead, since this is a sell trade, I'm going to drag the entry line down, and let's see what it would be right there. It's a very small profit, $6.53. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. But let's go up to the 4 hour and see if there's any market structure. Potentially over here on the left is the low point, so I'm actually going to bring it down a little bit farther. Let's bring it right to the bottom of the most recent structure, not including the wick. And again, this is random. If I hover over here, it'll be a $23.73 profit. Let's leave it there. And you'll also see that that is just about 30 pips, 29.8 pips. Now, off the video here, off screen, what I might do is I've been thinking about showing you how to set a trailing stop. And essentially, the way we do that is click the live trade down here and go to the trailing stop. And trailing stops are set in points. So 15 points would be 1.5 pips. I probably would start trailing the price at, say, 20 pips. So that'd be 200 points. So what I'd have to do is hit custom, put 200 in here, and hit OK. I'm not going to do that yet. Let's see if this is going to play out. And then it might be interesting to see how many pips or how much money we could make if we do ultimately set a trailing stop. But before I do that, I'm going to let the price move closer to my current take profit, which is, again, just about $23, $24 and 29.8 pips. So I'll tile this so we have both trades showing here. And at this point in this episode, we're just going to sit back and monitor. We'll see what happens in the next episode, if we've recovered, if we have to add more trades for recovery here, which ultimately we will. Right now we're in a hedge, but I'm not going to add the third trade because I'm not completely confident which way it might go, either short term or long term here. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next episode.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching this episode of the Random Forex Trade series. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. Visit forexbits.com for more. I'll see you in the next episode.